Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a website where you can make money remotely from the comfort of your home without leaving your house. And all you have to do is sign up and make this money. So guys, join me as I take you through this website. First one today is Daily Remote. Okay, Daily Remote, this is it. So just search this on your Google bar, Opera Mini, or whatever you're using as your search engine. Okay, so what you have to do when you open this, just click on the menu box. This is the menu box, in case you can see it. This is the menu box, this line here with the double three. Just click on it, and when you do, just easily click on where you have this remote jobs. Yeah, remote jobs. Click on your remote jobs, and when you do that, it's gonna open. Now mind you, today's video is for anybody in any part of the continent. Is easy for you. Okay, they make life easy. So if you have anything you're very good at, you can kindly come down here and type whatever you need here and type it. Okay, when you do type it, you click on the search. You can put your location, you can put your employment type or whatever you want. Then now, without even doing any of that, let's just play around. Now as we scroll, you can see some jobs available. You can see head of marketing, OCT scheduling 5 days ago, full-time. You can see this one, full-time, 2 weeks ago, writing. So you can click on it to know if available. You can see here they need staff accountant, finance, posted 3 weeks ago. So you can just keep going till you see anyone you know you can do. And some of them tell you how much you get to earn. Okay, let's just try one. Okay, now for this example, you can see this one tells you already how much you're gonna earn. Now this one tells you, sorry, let me do that again till I'm done with it. Now this one tells you that a mortgage loan processor, remotely, so you can work remotely. So you can see United States, full-time job, and you earn between $50 to $50,000 to $60,000 in a year. This is what you get to earn. So you can play around, go around and see if you see any other thing you like. And now let's move to the next one. Guys, this is another one. Okay, you can click on it and sign up also, and follow that procedure and also get job that you want. So let's move to the next one. So guys, the next one is remote rebellion. Okay, get 100% remote job. You can already see it here. Get job easy and faster. You can click on show me to show you. Also, all you have to do is sign up with them and get job that you want. You can see people's testimony. You can see somebody giving a testimony of someone. She knows what she's doing and offers invaluable advice from the perspective of person who would be hiring you. Okay, so you could see anything you want here is just easy. Just same thing you have to do. Sign up and also have access to job offers you can do from your home, and if you're lucky you can also work in the company or the office or whatever. So let's move to the last one. So guys, the last one is working nomad. Okay, just go to your Google, search for working nomad. You see it here, they'll bring it for you. What you can do is search for your job, what you want, the location, the category. Now let's just see this. Now you can see they need Ruby on Rails developer, customer success manager, a lot of jobs there already. Anyone you can do, you can just go ahead and fill it in. Like this one, for example, senior full stack Python developer. If not, you're a Python developer. Now this is where it comes in. Check on my previous video, you guys. You will see a link where you can learn how to code, and Python is one of the package. So you can go there, learn how to code. You see, if you know how to code, you can get this job, and you can see they pay $60,000, so $110,000 for a year, full-time, guys. So this is how you can benefit from one of this website I show you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and please come back for more and let me know what you feel concerning to this video. Do have a nice day, and bye.